Hi guys, I was making like how to survive and thrive in future economy. For that, in earlier video, I made 4.4 introductional point before giving my seven actual frameworks about how to survive and thrive in future economy. In earlier video, those 4 points what I made was first one: we are living in society. We humans are, since the dawn of human civilization, we humans are living in society. So if you want to be successful in the society, so if you want not to be failure in the society, so you have to learn how the society work, what actions, steps, behavior this human society regard as success, regard as failure, what steps and action this human society reward from wealth, by wealth name fame, you have to learn. Second introductional point I made was average is over, you can't be average. Third introductional point I made was we are living in a value oriented society. Everyone is adding value. See my pen, my notebook, my mobile, my laptop, my desk, my mouse, my light, my house, like everything someone has added value. So I am in this stage. Am I also participating in this value oriented society? Am I also giving, someone gave me this shirt, someone gave me this pant, someone gave me this, like everything. So am I also participating in this value oriented society? Am I also adding something? Maybe it is some service, maybe it is shop, maybe it is some YouTube channel, whatever it is. Am I also participating in this value adding society? Okay. Fourth point I said, we are living in hyper informated but at the same time dynamic world. With hyper informated I meant we can know all the information in a fraction of second, but by dynamic world I mean we mean that we don't want to see the same post which I have saw on Instagram again. It needs to be changed. Okay, let's jump on our actual point. If you want to survive and even thrive in future economy, then first point, who is having lots of fund, who will thrive. It means in future economy, first guy who will thrive and survive is if he is having lot of funds. If he is having lot of funds, he can invest in lot of businesses, he can invest in lot of startups, he can buy stocks, he can buy share market, what loan not, he can lend his money, he can earn interest, he can buy real estate, again he can earn interest and rental income. If he has capital and if he has lot of funds, then that guy will always thrive in future economy. Okay, so because funds are always needed to start new or to scale earlier. Again, funds and capital are always in need, either to start new venture or either to scale existing venture, either to invent new venture or either to improve existing venture. Funds are always needed. So whoever is having lots of fund, who will thrive in the future economy. Okay, first point I said, if you want to survive and thrive in the future economy, so first guy who will thrive, if he is having lot of funds, with that fund he can do whatever, like he can buy mutual fund, he can invent new businesses, he can add stakes in new businesses, he can participate in exciting businesses, he can rent, buy real estate, what not he can do. So second guy who will survive in future economy is who have mastered all the next, who have mastered all the next innovation, like next generation IT. It means next generation IT means your artificial intelligence, your machine learning, your blockchain, your metaverse. These are the example. Second guy who will survive in the next economy is who have mastered all the upcoming revolutions. So like artificial intelligence right now booming, machine learning right now booming, blockchain, metaverse, data mining. If you will master this type of technologies, you will always Right now, machine learning, blockchain, metaverse, data science, and AI are the trend. Maybe after 5 years it could be something else. Maybe after 5 years it could be something more else. But the thing is same. If you will master this revolution, if you will master this new dimension of thinking, then you will always thrive. Because right now, who will master data mining? Facebook, Google, all they are rewarding him. If you will master, if you will master. So if you will master these technologies, then society will always reward you. So third point I will say it, if you want to thrive and survive in future economy, for that third point I will say is just wait a minute. Just let me close this. Okay, so third point I will make is who is best in their field. First point I said who is having lots of fund. Second point said who have mastered next revolutions like AI, ML, blockchain, metaverse, data mining, data scraping, whatever. Third point I said who is best in their own field. Like again, what this, it is just a extraction or next implication of second point only. Third point is who will thrive in the next future economy if they are best in their field. It means it could be best eye specialist in the city, best neurosurgeon in the city, best educator in the city, best institute in the city, best shop in the city, best jewelry shop in the city, best garment shop in the city, best lawyers in the city, best engineers in the city, best YouTubers in the domain, best YouTubers in the nation, best short video makers on the platform, best like a speaker, whoever, regardless of field, if they are best, if they are exceptional in their field, then they will always thrive and survive, because there is no crowd at the top 1%. So if you will master your field and try to be best, then you will always thrive and survive, no doubt about that. First point I said, if you want to survive and thrive in future economy, for that sorry, first point I said who is having lots of fund, who will thrive. Second point I said who have mastered all the next revolutions like AI, ML, blockchain, who will thrive. Third point said I have said who is best in their field. Doctors, lawyers, engineers, YouTubers, short video makers, speakers, influencer, they will thrive. Fourth point I am going to make who have mastered share market. It is very important. If you will master how share market work, then eventually you can't hold yourself by investing in mutual fund. You can't hold yourself from investing in Nifty 50. You can't hold yourself from investing in Bitcoin and Ethereum and all the cryptos. If you will know how share market work, if you will know, if you will master how these things works, then ultimately you can't prevent yourself from participating at the full potential into that thing. But if you will participate in share market, if you will participate in crypto by at full level, by mastering how these things works, then how you cannot thrive? The guy who will master how these things work, they will always thrive. So fourth point is who have mastered